5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, ignition, liftoff.
The Mazak VHP160, in operation now at Fort Walton Machining, is one of the most incredible machines in the world. This Mazak horizontal profile towers as high as a two-story building and weighs more than 200 tons. The size of this machine, however, is the least of its impressive characteristics. It is the first of its kind and a complete game changer for precision manufacturing.
It is the first that has been produced, I believe, in the world by Mazak.
This is the first one of its kind in the world, and the purpose behind buying this machine is to become a cutting-edge metallic machining supplier for our aerospace customers.
For us, and Mazak, it's the first one in the world.
A 26,000 RPM spindle, advanced chip evacuation, and over 160 inches of X-axis travel make this machine a revolutionary tool in the manufacturing world. The incredible capabilities of this machine, combined with remarkable design innovation, changes the entire landscape of precision machining.
You load it vertically, so it's very easy to bring a fork truck up or an overhead crane, a gantry, and just load the pallets, and then the pallets rotate into position, and we can load either one of those pallets, and then it indexes that part up to where it machines horizontally.
At this point, it should put us at the top of our competitive edge as far as new technologies, approaches, a quicker start to finish from A to B.
It gives us much more opportunities to quote parts that we haven't been able to quote since the existence of the company. Now we have that capability. Now we're offering a more vertical service for our customers, a one-stop shop for all of our customers' needs.
The partnering of Mazak Innovation and Fort Walton Machining Vision has advanced the capabilities of this machine with added custom features.
It's a little bit difficult to see with the traditional machine, so we had them put a high-speed mist blaster on there to kind of pave the way so that the operator and the machinist can see what they're doing.
Aiming to maximize every opportunity, Fort Walton Machining has also added an additional 30-tool magazine, allowing for up to 60 tools, and a one-of-a-kind customized pallet changer.
And we said, hey, we want the pallet changer for this machine because it's most important for us and the cost for our customer that we keep that spindle running 100%.
Placing this machine in service required tremendous planning and dedication.
We had to go out to Japan, test run the machine, and buy it off before it was tore down, packaged, and shipped over to stateside here at Fort Walton Machining.
Contracting a specialized industrial rigging firm was a necessity to move and lift the massive components. The installation was far more complex than simply assembling pieces and required 2 months to assemble the machine, with Mazak representatives on site throughout the entire process.
Watching it, tracking it across the world, it was pretty interesting. And then 7 semi trucks show up at the doorstep. That's pretty overwhelming. Cranes and things moving these big pieces around.
Numerous modifications to the structure itself were required to support the machine and to even get the massive components into the facility.
The process includes a new concrete slab that we had to put in 4 foot deep.
And then we had to separate that foundation for vibration purposes so it doesn't rattle us all out of the room,
2.5 months of reassembly at the machining level.
We end up having to cut a hole in the ceiling to put the machine in.
Creating a skylight and cutting through the roof to set the top head unit on the machine. It was pretty nerve-wracking and impressive all at the same time.
Mazak made it very easy, though. They have some good people. And, you know, if you really look at what they've done in such a short period of time, you know, it just amazes me.
Starting as a small machine shop and growing to become an award-winning industry leader, Fort Walton Machining will continue to manufacture new pads, engineer bold strategies, and fabricate the ideas of tomorrow into the precision machining of today.